What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And today I finally got them in hand. It's the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee 25th anniversary. Now, as we all know, Jordan Brand releases a Jordan 11 pretty much every holiday season, and this year marked the 25th anniversary of the Jordan 11. And to celebrate the 25th anniversary, Jordan Brand came up with this Jubilee colorway, which is black, white, and has silver accents all over the sneaker. Now, going way back to months ago, whenever they first released images of this Jubilee colorway, at the time they were calling it the clear. And I knew that this was going to be a must-cop for me. And even though I saw a lot of hate on the internet as far as, people not liking the color scheme or, just wanting another bread or another Concord to celebrate the anniversary, I knew that this was a shoe that I had to have. So I copped this on release day on December 12th on the Nike Sneakers app, which has been super good to me lately, and I just want to throw that out there. But this particular sneaker that we're looking at today, has all the classic Jordan 11 features, from the patent leather to the mesh upper, and so on and so forth. So if you're a fan of the Air Jordan 11, or maybe you took an L on the release day and you're thinking about picking up this sneaker on the resale market, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this sneaker. I'm going to do a full detailed review, I'm going to hit you with the on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys, I love you, thank you for all the support you guys always show me. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So all those people out there that were hating on this sneaker, said that they weren't going to cop, they weren't getting the Jordan 11 this year, it just wasn't going to happen, this was going to be a pass, this shoe was trash. You know what? A lot of you guys ended up copping. And that's okay. Most people do cop the Jordan 11 release every year. They give them away as gifts or, get a Christmas present for themselves. And this shoe was available in full family sizing, so a lot of people were going after, the kid sizes and stuff like that for Christmas. And a lot of people thought that this sneaker was going to be, oversaturated, like there was going to be like 1 million, 2 million pairs or something like that. But I know quite a lot of people that actually took an L on this sneaker and didn't cop. Now, there was definitely a lot of pairs released, don't get me wrong, but, it's not like everybody was able to secure a Jordan 11 Jubilee. So my package just arrived, and I got this from the Nike Sneakers app. And here we got this box, guys. This is a really nice box. And, you got your black and your silver. And it's mostly black, but it does have the silver hits. And then you got this silver cutout hole right here. And this is a size 8. And the size tag reads black, multicolor, multicolor. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening this bad boy up. And yo, that's so dope. That's so dope. Inside the box, you have your wax paper with your silver Jumpman. And in silver, it says 1995 and 2020 for the 25 years of the Air Jordan 11. And here we go. BAM! Yo, I really liked what I saw in pictures from this sneaker, but in hand, yo, this thing is crazy fire. The materials just feel really premium, as far as the leather. Ooh, that's nice. Smells really good too. And I know a lot of people out there hate this Jordan lettering that's going down the lace loops, but I think that that's a really nice touch. I think it's really, really dope. And it kind of sets this apart from the other sneakers that are out there, and, as far as every other Jordan 11 that everybody already has. And yes, this colorway is, reminiscent of the Space Jams or the 72 and 10s, but I really think that this, colorway stands on its own. The black, the white, and, the chrome silver hits all over the sneaker. It's really, really nice. But now that we got these sneakers out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the box, and I normally don't spend a whole lot of time on the box, but In this case, since it is different and since it is an anniversary, Jordan 11, and they gave us a special box, I figured I'd spend a minute on it. And you have this black and silver colorway that you have here, and it flips open like this, the black part first, then the silver part, and then you have your wax paper that has the 1995 to 2020 Jordan Jumpman logo on the wax paper. All right, so we're going to take our first up-close look at this Air Jordan 11 25th anniversary. So I want to start back here, and this leather right here is so buttery, very premium feeling. And then you have your silver Jumpman, and that's like plastic. Of course, you're going to have your high-cut patent leather that you're going to have on your breads or your Concords. And you have this mesh upper just like you would on a Concord or a bread. Very nice quality there. Now you're gonna have this part right here that has Jordan down the lace loops, and I know a lot of people do not like that. I understand it's not OG, but this is the first time that they've put that on a general release Jordan 11, and this is one of the features that makes it stand apart from the other Jordan 11s that have come out throughout the years, and I really like it. Then of course you're gonna have your white midsole, and that's sitting on top of that milky outsole. Now on the other side of the sneaker, you're going to have your Jordan once again that's going down the lace loops. And you have this white part that is going around the whole inner part of the shoe. And like that actually, I don't know, just adds a nice little touch, kind of separates the black, from the patent leather that's also black. So, you know what I mean? That's something that a lot of people, you can't really see from afar, but it is a nice touch to it, and it does make it stand out a lot more. Now on the back of the shoe, you're going to have this number 23 in silver, and it is heat pressed. It's not stitched like you would find on some other Jordan 11s, but it does hit very nicely. Now when you come to the front of the sneaker, of course you're going to have that patent leather on the toe box. And then you're going to have your mesh on the tongue area. And then you're going to have those rope laces like you get on all Jordan 11s. And then when you come to the middle of the tongue, you're going to have that Jordan Jumpman in silver. And you're going to have your Jordan lettering on this tag. And that is stitched into the tongue. Now inside of the sneaker, you're going to have a black insole with a black sock liner. And then you're going to have that Jordan Jumpman. And instead of getting a number 23 like you normally would, you're going to get a 25 to signify the 25th anniversary. And then behind the tongue there, you're going to get a Jordan Jumpman that says quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Now on the bottom of the sneaker, you're going to have that milky outsole. You will get your carbon fiber plate right there like you do on every Jordan 11. You're going to have a gray pod here at the top and then a gray pod here at the bottom. And you're going to have that Jordan Jumpman there in the middle. This was a sneaker that I really wanted from the moment that I first saw it. I couldn't wait for it to come out. I'm super pumped that I was able to catch a W and add this to my collection. If you slept on this sneaker, or maybe if you took an L on it, I think you're going to regret not picking it up. I mean, this is a 25th anniversary Jordan 11. This is never coming back out. They're never going to retro this ever again. Even if you look at, the Concords or the Breads, they've been out for all these years, but they've only been retroed maybe 3 or 4 times in all these years. So, it's safe to say that you're never going to see this shoe ever again. And I think the prices on it are going to escalate. I think this is probably going to sit around a $400 shoe in about a year, maybe not even that long. But now that I got these, in my possession and I got them in hand, I really do like the sneaker. It's super dope in hand, guys. Like, if you pick this up, you're not going to be disappointed, It's really nice. But let me go ahead and throw them on and show you what they look like on feet. Now, I really do like this sneaker. I like what Jordan Brand did with, the color scheme and just the quality of the build. I mean, the materials are really nice. And, I don't really see any flaws or anything in this sneaker. It's pretty well done. There's a little bit of glue marks here or there at the front. But, with Jordan 11s, you're kind of always going to get that. But, overall, this sneaker was $220. And I think it is worth the $220. I mean, the quality's good. The colorway is dope. And it is celebrating the Jordan 11 for 25 years. But let me know down in the comments what you think about this sneaker. Did you cop it? Did you pass on it? Or did you take an L on this? I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please destroy that like button for me. And if you're new or you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace!